And this is the last, like how you can convert this database notion template in your account. So first of all, I am giving you permission. So publish first. I have published this notion template and no shareable. So I have shared this copy link with you. Okay, and when you open your first, you need to log in your Notion account. So where your account is login, then open new tab and put this link. When you put this link, so then this Notion database will be shown in this format. So in this format you will see Notion database. Then here you can see the duplicate option. When you duplicate, click here in this button, then this Notion template will be moved in your account. So let me know if you face any problem and if you need any changes. Thank you.